Annyeonghaseyo Yorobun. Hello everyone. Ciao a tutti. Bonjour les coucou. As you already know, this is your girl Adele, also known as Oma NG. Once more, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that notification bell to give you the alert whenever I post any new video. Give my video a thumbs up and please share the video. So today, in my last video, I was at the hospital for MJ's 6 months checkup, and she was confirmed she could start solid because she has come of age and she can sit on her own. She can stand on with assistance with the furniture. So the doctor approved that she can start solid food. So today, even though I started it when she was 4 months, yeah, but I didn't like give her too much of it because I know it wasn't yet confirmed. I was just giving it a try. So today I have with me I want to try something new which she hasn't taken yet, which is broccoli. So yeah, I have with me 50 to 100 grams of carrots. I bought from the farmer's market, and I have some potatoes, and here I have like 100 grams of broccoli. But be rest assured, I'm not gonna use all of these because I cook in little quantities and I save in the freezer for the number of days she has to eat it. And here also, these are my baby food storage. Yeah, baby food storage, which I bought also for storing her food for the number of days she has to eat. So I have everything set, and let's start cooking. The veggies have all been peeled, washed, and nicely chopped. I have already placed the veggies on the fire, and I'm going with steaming because I want most of the nutrients to be retained. I'm gonna steam for like 15 to 20 minutes, and I think it will be all done. So let's watch and see. So guys, here we have it in the blender. It's cool and still feels warm. I used the liquid inside is the liquid I used to steam the veggies because I don't want to waste the nutrients, you know. So let's blend it and serve while it's still warm. So guys, this is the end product. You can check the consistency. It's quite runny, and I'm gonna add her formula, her baby milk to it, like a spoon or two, just to keep it more nutritive and healthy. That was it for today, and if you have watched up to this level and you like the video, please consider subscribing, clicking the notification bell to also give you the alert each time I post any new video. Please give my video a thumbs up and don't forget to share. Thank you. Kamsahamnida.